In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to gift Steam points. The first thing you need to know is that you cannot directly gift Steam points to another user on Steam. Steam points are earned automatically whenever you make purchases on the platform, and those points stay attached to the account that made the purchase. In other words, Valve does not offer a built-in feature that lets you transfer, send, or trade Steam points between accounts. So if your goal is to help a friend get funds on Steam so they can make purchases and earn their own points, the best alternative is to send a digital Steam gift card instead. This is the closest practical option, and it's very simple to do. To get started, open Steam and go to the store section. Once you're there, click on the search bar and type in Steam gift card. This will help you quickly find the correct option without having to browse through multiple store pages. From the search results, choose Steam gift cards. Make sure you select the official gift card option so you're using Steam's built-in gifting system. After that, click on Send Digital Gift Cards to move forward. Next, choose the amount you want to send. Steam usually gives you several preset values, so just select the one that fits your budget. Keep in mind that this gift card adds funds to the recipient's Steam wallet, not Steam points directly. Once they use those wallet funds to buy games, downloadable content, or other items on Steam, they may then earn Steam points from those purchases. After choosing the amount, you'll need to select who will receive the gift. You can search for your friend's name if they're already on your Steam friends list, or in some cases, you may be able to send the gift by email. Once you've selected the recipient, click Continue. From there, choose your payment method and complete the purchase. Before confirming, it's a good idea to double check the amount and the recipient details so the gift goes to the right person. Once the purchase is successful, the recipient will receive a notification. They can then redeem the gift card funds to their Steam wallet and use that balance for purchases on Steam. So while Steam points themselves can't be gifted directly, sending a digital Steam gift card is the easiest workaround. It's fast, official, and a great way to help someone enjoy more on Steam.